Paragon. So today we're installing the Paragon Performance C8 hood struts. I have the black carbon fiber version here. They also offer it in red carbon. And there's actually a couple reasons that I think you should get these for your C8. First of all, if you're into the weight reduction, these are actually 50% lighter than the stock ones. On top of that, they're also a lot nicer looking. As you can see, the carbon's just gonna look great. Who doesn't want some extra carbon, especially if you already have the carbon package inside the engine bay? And on top of that, they're a lot thinner looking. The stock ones here are really bulky, and this is just much more aesthetically pleasing. Even better, they actually serve a functioning purpose. On the stock struts, when you open the hood, as you can see, it's also not that strong. It bounces, and it's definitely not that elegant when you're opening the hood. And on top of that, this isn't even open all the way. You have to push it up manually to get it open into what I think they call service mode. But with the Paragon Performance struts, no longer have to worry about it opening, 80% of the way and pushing it up. These get to open it up fully every single time. They're actually really easy and quick to install. So all you need is a flathead screwdriver just to pop out the little sockets here. And yeah, let's get right into the install. It's super quick and easy. All right, so we're gonna start over here on the driver's side first. Again, you're just gonna need the flathead screwdriver, and then of course have this ready and handy if you're doing this by yourself like me. You're gonna wanna push the hood all the way up and then go in with the flathead and kind of lift out this metal tab here. Kind of just pop it out and support the hood with your shoulder. So you kind of lift that tab, you're kind of pulling it out just like that. Super, super easy, really, really easy. Same thing with the bottom one. I'm just gonna let this rest down here. Come down here. Kind of lift that metal tab out that's holding, it's kind of like a ball socket in place. I'm gonna put that in the trunk. Won't need that anymore. It does actually feel significantly heavier than these ones. And then this is actually even easier to install now. All you're gonna do is make sure that the carbon part is up on top. So the thicker carbon part you're gonna want facing upwards or up towards the top. You're gonna put this, it's kind of like a ball socket around the bottom there. It's rotating on me. Push it in. Super easy to snap in. Go up on the top one. And that's it. Just like that. Now we're just gonna go do the other side. So yeah, just same thing over here. You're gonna go ahead and put the screwdriver in, lift that metal tab, make sure you're holding the hood up with your shoulder, pop it out. Same thing on the bottom. Kind of awkward positioning, and then put that over to the side. Don't need that anymore. Just grab this. And again, you want the carbon fiber, the thicker part on top, skinnier part on the bottom. Just doing the bottom first. Push it in. Super simple. And then rotate the head on the top. And that's it. Once you hear it click, it is in there and good to go. All right, now really quick, something that I just noticed is that if you look right here, there's no gap in between this top part and the carbon fiber piece here. Now, if you come over to the other side, you'll notice there is actually a space. It looks like there's some threading there too. As you can see right there, there is a little bit of a gap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna pull this off. I'm gonna pull both of them off really quick. It's the same method. You just kind of put the flathead screwdriver in here, and I'm gonna twist this down, make sure it's all the way screwed in. It's obviously not gonna twist once it's on here, but I just wanna make sure they're both flush looking and properly installed. Probably check the bottom part too. Now, I'm not really sure what that's from, but yeah, you can definitely screw this in. So just something to keep in mind. I didn't, this is why I make these videos, because you never know if you discover something that someone might not have had a problem with or whatever. Now it's screwed in, hand tight. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, it screws a little bit, but This one's actually good. So yeah, just double check that little gap when you're installing it. Make sure it's screwed all the way on. All right, so that's gonna be it for this one. As you can see, it was super quick and easy to install. Just make sure you double check with where the socket goes in, that it's screwed on all the way. It looks a lot cleaner in there. And then of course the stock strut, this thing weighs literally as much as both of these. So definitely some weight savings. And last but not least, takes a lot more effort to close now, but you get the much more elegant opening hood, and it's gonna go all the way up every single time. Perfect. Yep, that's it. Highly recommend the Paragon Performance C8 hood struts. If you don't have them already and you're rocking the stock ones, I think you should pick this up for your next upgrade. So yeah, that's gonna be it. And until next time, peace.